Imagine an animal that can lose a limb to escape a predator, and then regrow it. Welcome to the incredible world of octopuses. These creatures have been fascinating humans for centuries, and it's easy to see why, with their unique ability to adapt and survive in the harshest of underwater environments. One of the most interesting things about octopuses is their intelligence. They are considered one of the smartest invertebrates on the planet, and their problem-solving skills are unmatched. They have been observed using tools, like collecting and using shells to build shelters, and even solving complex puzzles to get to food. But what's even more impressive is their ability to learn and remember. They can open jars, recognize themselves in mirrors, and even play with toys. This level of intelligence is rare in the animal kingdom, and it's what sets octopuses apart from other sea creatures. Octopuses have a unique way of thinking. It's often referred to as a distributed brain, meaning that a large portion of their neurons are found in their arms, which can act independently of their central brain. This allows them to process information and make decisions quickly, without having to send signals all the way back to their central brain. It's like having a mini brain in each arm, which is pretty cool. This distributed brain also allows octopuses to multitask. They can be crawling, swimming, and even tasting their surroundings all at the same time. They have a highly developed sense of taste and can detect the flavor of a substance just by touching it with their arms. This is because their arms are covered in tiny little taste receptors called suckers, which help them navigate their environment and find food. Octopuses are also masters of disguise. They can change the color and texture of their skin to blend in with their surroundings, making them nearly invisible. This is made possible by specialized cells called chromatophores, which contain pigments that can be expanded or contracted to change the color of their skin. They can even mimic the appearance of other sea creatures, like sea snakes or flounders, to avoid predators or sneak up on prey. This incredible ability to disguise themselves is just one example of the impressive intelligence of octopuses. They have also been observed using tools, like collecting and using shells to build shelters, and even communicating with each other through a complex system of color changes and body language. In fact, research has shown that octopuses have a highly distributed brain, with a large proportion of their neurons found in their arms, which can act independently of their central brain. This allows them to process information and make decisions quickly, without having to send signals all the way back to their central brain. This unique brain structure also allows octopuses to learn and remember complex solutions to problems, like opening jars or escaping from enclosures. They have even been known to play with their food, and with other objects, like shells or other sea creatures, which is a sign of curiosity and intelligence. But what's even more fascinating is their social behavior. Octopuses have been observed interacting with each other, like mating, fighting, and even playing. They have a complex social hierarchy, and they can recognize individual members of their species. Their intelligence and behavior are so advanced that they have been observed exhibiting cultural behaviors, like passing on traditions and knowledge from one generation to the next. This level of intelligence and social complexity is rare in the animal kingdom, and it's what makes octopuses so fascinating to study and observe. If you want to learn more about these incredible creatures and how they're able to solve complex problems, be sure to check out our next video, where we'll be exploring the latest research on octopus intelligence and what it can teach us about the evolution of intelligence in the animal kingdom.